Hi, I'm Paula from MeMakeyThings.com, and today I'm going to share with you how to make your own necklace. Now, you can simply go to the craft store and pick up a pendant like this one and put some jump rings on there and string it onto a chain. And that it would be a very simple, quick way to make your own necklace. Another way that you can make your own necklace is to select a couple of different charms or anything that you want to be your pendant, and you can put it on some craft ribbon like this. You could simply tie this behind your neck, but that won't be very secure. So what you're going to want to do is attach some sort of a toggle or clasp on the back of it, and you can buy these at the craft store in various types. And then what I did is I just turned over the corner here with a little bit of hot glue and kind of made a little pointed edge there, and then just took my needle and thread and sewed that on there so that now you have a little clasp on the back of it, and it's a little more secure than if you just tied it. But you can make a necklace out of just about anything that you can hang on a string. So there you have it. I'm Paula from MeMakeyThings.com. Have a great day.